All right. So, let's see. It looks like the music's still coming through. Good, good. I always gotta, like, double check that, like, all of my equipment is still working. OBS is kind of lagging out a little bit as I speak, which is a little scary, but anyway, I see my camera has a big black bar on the top of it. Not really sure what that's about, but sometimes it's there, sometimes it's not, which is interesting. Gosh, hardware is hard. That's why it's called hardware, I think. I'm gonna guess that's the case. Anyway, listen, it's been a few weeks since I last streamed. Reason being is because I really didn't want to pull away from focusing on what's really important right now, in the sense of like fighting against police brutality and just advocating for police reform, because it's just what's been happening in the U.S. and in my city, Seattle, has just been insane. And I've done as much learning and reading up as I can on some of the issues, and it's just been eye-opening to me. And this upbeat music isn't really playing into how I'm trying to send this message across, but listen, if you still are confused by what is happening in this country, I just saw recently 13th, the documentary on Netflix, and it was incredible. It was just totally eye-opening. I just felt as if I have been living in this totally different world my whole life, and that is so true. So give that a watch. If you don't have Netflix, it's also on YouTube. Netflix put it on YouTube for free, so that everybody could see this incredible documentary. Please go watch it. It's amazing. In like a really just like wow kind of way. Another thing I wanted to do, and I've actually been kind of like feeling this way for quite some time now, is I wanted to change who I was sponsoring on this stream. Not because like I don't have anything against Girls Who Code. It's just I wanted to add some variety to who I sponsored on the stream. And so now seems the best time than ever to change the company or the organization I'm sponsoring to Black Girls Code, as you can see up here. It's an organization quite similar to Girls Who Code, only it's focused on women of color, and specifically the Black community, and fostering this environment for girls ages. I've got the website here. I want to get the age right. It's basically 7 to 17 to get into STEM, because like if you think the percentage of women in tech is small, the percentage of Black women in tech is even smaller than that, is a mere fraction. So this organization is trying to fight that, and so I want to support them in that. If you happen to see that I was on, or I was a part of the Live Coders conference that happened this past Saturday, the conference was like all. It was a, what am I saying? It was a charity stream charity conference, I guess, and the proceeds of that went to this organization as well. And that event raised about $15,000 for this organization, which was really awesome. Like, I was so happy that I mean, I obviously I didn't like it wasn't just me that like made $15,000 happen, but I had a small piece in that thing, and I'm so glad that Live Coders Conference went in that direction. Anyway, so, gosh, sorry about this. I don't know what's going on. Let me get some of this water here. Anyway, so check out this organization. Also, just donate. Throw, you know, $20 at them, $100 at them, anything you can spare. It's such a good cause. Glad to hear the audio is good. Okay, so what I'm going to focus on today is I need to clean up a pull request of mine. This guy, Howard, he's gosh, he's like a human linter. He's incredible. Some of the things that he finds in pull requests are just amazing. So we're just gonna address the rest of these comments, and I believe I worked on this last stream as well. This is adding GitHub Reactions support to this PowerShell module for GitHub. And so we've got a few other comments that he has that I'm going to address. The first thing was parameter sets should be the last thing. Parameter set. Right, so this is wrong. It should be like that. This has some fairly complex parameter sets in it, I have to say. It's quite impressive. Recently, this module added pipeline support. So you can do stuff like get GitHub issue, pipe it to set GitHub reaction, for example. And all that stuff just works. It's very, very impressive. It's come a long way, this thing. I highly encourage giving it a try. I'm trying to see how I can use it inside of GitHub Actions. And I think there's an opportunity there. Yeah, I know about the moving of the line. It's just because of these, it's a little, I mean, all right, let's see if that's faster. I have one more to do. So it's like this, and then I have to like go and do this. Yeah, I guess that's faster. Yeah, that's faster. Then I don't have to touch my mouse. Love it. Love it. Gosh, I'm glad I finally get to... This is not true. glad I finally get to listen to the music with you all. All right. That's all of them. So. We did that one. I'll like it to say that I've worked on that. The statement isn't true in this function. I'm pretty sure. What am I doing? I should look at it from here. Hello. What am I building? I'm working on this module, PowerShell for GitHub. It's in the Microsoft org. You should check it out. It's really nice. I'm adding reactions support to it. Like, you know, like, dislike, or like, downvote, heart, rocket, eyes, and confused, and party, or hooray. I'm not sure what it's actually. I think that's all of them. Detest. What a strong word. I mean, I agree. I'm not a big fan of using backtick, but in one comment he said these all need to be 100 characters, and now I guess he's okay with this. That's fine. Fine. Clean this up. Okay. Check. Just from a code. Fine. Oh, PS DevOps. No, I haven't seen it. Yeah, I guess description text is a little vague. Target object type name. Fine. Actually. Uh-oh. Whoops. Uh-oh. Whoops. Okay. Accidentally replaced all of my things. Whoops. All right. Description text becomes target object name. Fine. Bop, bop. Boop, boop. Boop. Boop, boop, boop. Beep. Boop. And there we go. Instead of issue or pull request, use target object number. Fine. Target object number. Okay. Fine. Looks all good. Reaction for this. All right, cool. I would have done all of it, but wait, remember single quotes. Where? Oh my gosh, here? Dang it. This should be good. This should be fine. We have tests. We can run the tests. All right. Where else? I think we got them all. All right. Cool. All right. So check. Honestly, I should be using eyes. What am I talking about? Should be using eyes. The eyes reaction is by far the best reaction. Prove me wrong. I already did this. Okay, I think I got rid of these just now. 600 and something. Yeah, I deleted those. So it says this statement isn't true in this function, which is correct. It's because of bad copy and paste. Got rid of that one too. Issue, parameter issue. Issue pull request. Issue pull request. Must be an old comment then. It's weird. Yes. Let's see the eyes in the chat. Whew, GitHub is struggling. Okay, there it goes. A little bit better. What else? What else? Come on. Show me what you got. Pester 5 syntax. Yep. He's right. Pester 5. Pester is the testing framework for PowerShell. If I go into GitHub reactions.test.ps1, we should basically everywhere that we see B. Oh, geez. Okay, well, it should be surrounded by spaces. It needs to be B. Except for that one. I'm not building a regex for that. It's just not happening. I don't want to do that. But I will do this. Oh, wow. That was really lucky. that was the only B. Take it easy, Ben. Thanks for joining. I really appreciate it. Fisker, that is a very good point. The only problem is, and maybe I should just do it in this stream. Right now, my support for reactions only works on issues and pull requests, like top level. It doesn't work on any individual comment. And that's because the URL, the API, is different for that. But we could do that on this stream. Shit. Should have been eyes. My bad. Okay. Eyes. Eyes. All right, that's it. That's all of them. Ooh, that lag. Cheers. This is a smoothie with Marionberries in it. Very Pacific Northwest. It's great. The variable issue is assigned but never used. What? There it is. Hiya. Oh, I hate this. Okay. I'm gonna wait on that one, cause this is a problem with PowerShell's concept of dynamic scoping. And oh my gosh, I think I just have to disable it at the top of the file or something. Ah, that sucks. All right, we'll come back to that one. I think, Fisker, you've inspired me. I just so happen to have the URL that we need right here. I got how many messages? 2 people trying to message me. 3 people. Now is not the time. There are more important things. Reactions that we need to be fixed. Okay. I want to do this one at least. Issue comment. So there's like, if we go to the top here. Create a reaction for a pull request. Review comment. So commit, we'll defer commit. Who comments on commits anyway? Issue. Issue comment. Pull request review comment. Team discussion. That'll be important later, but I think we really just care about pull request comment and issue comment for now. Let's see how different they are. Repos, owner, repo, issues, comments, comment ID, reactions. Okay. Okay. What about pull request 1? Repos, owner, repo, pulls. That's the difference. Dang it. That one little difference. All right. How would we do this? We need a new parameter. Basically, it's going to be issue, but this time it'll be issue ID. Let's see. I know for a fact that there's get GitHub issue. comment. That exists. So let's do repo, PowerShell. Owner, PowerShell. Issue. What's going on here? This is odd. Oh, there it goes. Hello? Why isn't my tab working? That's really weird. Whatever. I think I have an issue somewhere here. I think this is one. No comments. No comments. We need one with comments on it. Concatenated PS module variable, PS module path values. Sure. Fine. Issue 13025. 025. Okay. Comment ID. Okay. Comment ID. So I'm looking at it now, and unless this has comment. No, it doesn't. Okay. So we'll only support issue comment today. Unless this works. Unless I can put an issue. Where is it? Like this one. I guess I'm gonna have to change this then. Repository name, PowerShell for GitHub. Owner name, Microsoft. Issue, boop. Is that gonna work? Well. It also is comment ID, isn't it? Comment ID seems to be the way. So I think if we did something like this. So issue, pull request, comment ID. Let's see if that lines up with this one. Comment. Okay. So this one's comment alias comment ID. Okay. Comment alias comment ID. And it's optional. And it's available in every parameter set. So we can get rid of this. And we can get rid of this. And should just be able to do this. So now that we have comment, we can come down here. And now this becomes Now we do URI fragment. Wait, let's look at the reactions doc again. Okay. Pulls. So it always starts with this. So we have to check to see if we have a comment ID. That kind of sucks. So we have to do something like if comment. Else. So we have to do something like this. But at the very least, we can do this. All right, so this is here. This is here. Let's go back to the docs. Create reaction for a pull request review comment? No, for an issue comment. Issues, comment ID reaction. Okay. Issues, repos, owner, repo, issues. Comments. Target object number. Reactions. And then in this scenario, it's pulls. Yeah, we have to do all of this differently. Okay, fine. Target object number when we have a comment is going to be the comment. When it's not the comment, it's going to be the issue. We get rid of that. The target object name, when it is a comment, is going to be issue comment. When it's not, it'll be issue. Splat for added properties. Okay. So down here, we do the same. Except we say pull request comment. These we keep the same. Okay. Regardless of if it has a comment or not, we do this. I do wonder if I could just put issues here and it will work, but let's not find that out. Okay, so we have to do this. The other thing that we have to add is to this guy. We need to add and it's not mandatory and it doesn't belong to any parameter set. If config, if comment. So this is what enables the pipelining support. It adds a bunch of extra properties like these. Comment ID is what we use for that. Comment. Okay. Back up here. We need to do this, but comment. Well, I think it might work. One way to find out. So this is actually not the one I wanted. But I want to find one that has... This one has one. Comment ID. Ooh. Uh-oh. That's not good. Oh, okay. Weird. In any case, it has comment ID and repository URL. Think it's gonna work? I think we messed up our parameter set somehow. Oh. Shoot. it only has treats comments different than issues. It has the issue URL in it. Maybe if I just What if I do like then we do issue number. Gosh, do we already have the issue number in this? Such a nuts. Gosh. Because I need the... Do I need the issue number? I don't. So why am I doing this? I just need another freaking parameter set. Ugh. Ugh. All right. What the hell is this? What's with this parameter set here? Why is this just like a floating one? Well, in any case, what we want to do is maybe grab this. I think I might have initially copied both of them. Whatever. It's fine. All right. So we need more of these. We need more of these. So now we want to introduce a third parameter set called elements comment. Hello? That was weird. I think I hit some random key binding in my keyboard. Comments. Comment. Elements comment. URI comment. New parameter set. Oh, I've done it again, haven't I? Oh, jeez. I really need to figure out what key binding I keep hitting. The easiest way for me to just get back on track is to unplug my keyboard and plug it back in, but that's silly. Okay. And this. Okay. More parameter sets. What keyboard do I? What keyboard do I? It's a happy hacking keyboard. HHKB. Can you see that? There we go. 60%. I got it when I went to Singapore. Issue, pull request, comment. Issue, pull request, comment. URI issue, pull request, comment. Element issue, URI issue. Element, pull request, URI, pull request, element, comment, URI, comment. Magnifique. Oh, wait a minute. I think we're gonna have to try this because we don't have the... Oh, jeez. Freak. All right. Here we go. We have to completely refactor this. And I don't even know if it's gonna work. It takes some time getting used to not having arrow keys, but you end up adjusting. It's not that bad. Behind the scenes, pull requests are issues. So I'm going to try to use the same URI for issues and pull request for comments, and we're going to see if it works. Oops. Did it again, didn't I? Is it this? Oh, I found it. Okay. It was function tab. Okay. object number comment. Target object number is also used in the description. Target name and repository name. Okay. Let's comment all this out. And now we also need to modify this one. Whoa. Okay. Well, here goes nothing. Dang it. Not found. Ugh. Thomas. 8 months in a row. Well done. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. We're trying to get this reactions PR done. Add GitHub reaction support to PowerShell for GitHub. Because I want to be able to react to things from PowerShell. So this is problematic, huh? Thanks, Fisker. I appreciate it. Oh, so, you know, just to make sure that we have something working, let's look at this, right? What are the chances that this is? We'll get the eyes. So if we get this, if it works, okay, it didn't work as well. Okay, so we might not be out of the water yet. Maybe, we'll see. So why isn't it working? Well, let's place a breakpoint here. And then we'll do F5. Run it again. Yep. That all looks fine to me. Comment. Oh, wait. Well, I forgot, comment. Whoops. It helps when you get the, the old URL correct. Very important. I have high hopes for this one. I forgot to re-import. There we go. We did it. Now let's try a pull request. Now, this comes from a pull request, I believe. Yeah, pull request. So let's see if it works. Cross your fingers. Yes, it works. Oh, goodness. Oh, goodness. Oh, my. Oh, goodness. Oh, my. That's right. Rocket emoji. All right. So now we have to make the set do that, make the delete do that. Do we? Do we need to do the remove? I don't think so. All right. And then we got to clean up all the comment-based help. Repos, reactions. Okay. That looks fine. Paste that in there. And same with the remove, I believe. Ah, yeah. We have to do it a little bit differently, but it's more or less the same deal. I'm guessing that we just tack on reaction ID to the end of this. Reaction ID for a comment. Okay, good. So all we do is this. To all of these. Boop. Boop. And boop. Okay. And this is already working. We need to add another parameter here for comment. The comment ID. Okay, that's ready. Those are all ready. We just need to add the remaining parameter set. So So I should be able to just copy all of this because it's all the same thing. Owner, repository name, URI, issue, pull request. Boop. And now we have comment. Should be the same with the remove. Owner, repository name, URI, issue, pull request. There we go. Comment ID. Okay. Issue number still being added though. Oh, this brace style kills me. Okay. Now the comment base help. We're almost done. Home stretch. Gosh. The lag is rough on this stream. One of these days I'll make my own computer and then use that for streaming. One of these days. We'll add another example. Oops. Oh, we still have to fix that. Comment. All right. So we've added all those. Now let's add some examples, or maybe just one example. Yeah. Basically this. But with a comment. Get a GitHub same, but for set. Okay. Love it. Okay. I don't think I have a remove example. Yeah. I think I added force, right? Did I add the force parameter? I did add a force parameter and I didn't document it. Okay. It comes right above the access token. It forces should process prompt. Okay. Actually, I just know he's gonna say the exact same thing. So I'm gonna do that. Okay. All right. It's looking good. Now let's write a test. Into my chat. Sorry, at this point it's kind of like just busy work. Although we're gonna write a test now, so that's pretty good. All right, getting reactions from an issue comment. So we need to make a new issue comment, don't we? Here's the new issue. Oh my gosh, we'll actually be able to... No, it's gonna be the same issue. Comment equals new GitHub issue comment. Don't I need to add like the body? Oh, here it is. Okay. Okay, so hopefully we don't need to specify those, but we do need to specify the body, which will be foo. issue comment. Okay. So we added a new block here. I don't know why this is... Isn't this just an actual issue? So I just need to do this. Yeah, I don't know why I did that. Anyway, issue comment, set GitHub reaction, this, get GitHub reaction, comment, comment ID. Okay. Comment ID. Reaction type. Other reaction type. Something's not right. I think there's an assumption here. This one. Okay. We need to do this. Yeah. We'll do it like this. Yeah, okay. So, comment ID. Reaction type, default reaction type. Then we do the other one, the other reaction type. We get all of our reactions. We get just the one reactions. There should be two of this, should be one of this. And then this checks everything out. All right, let's run these tests. Got to import Pester 4 because that's not quite ready yet. All right, here we go. Three failed. Property pull request cannot be found. Wait. I messed up something here. Line 687. Oh, sorry. For the deletion, we're not returning anything, so we don't have to do this part. The delete doesn't return anything, it just returns null. Okay, that is completely understandable. Expected issue number, that's wrong. This should be comment ID. And issue should be issue number, not issue. It should be issue comment.comment ID. Yeah. See you later, Fisker. Thanks for joining. Probably gonna look at food in a little bit. Probably once I get this working. Nice. All right. Now, I'm gonna leave a comment here. Also, we should test. Well, it doesn't matter because it's the same code path. Yeah, that's fine. We don't need to check pull request comments. Okay. Fix that problem. I think we're done here. Gosh, just refactored the whole thing again. Take care, Big Johnny J. Hey. No problem. Happy to stream. I'm suspicious. So that worked for pull requests. What about commits? Commits. I feel like it's going to work, frankly. But currently, commit comments are not supported. I'm just going to say that. Issues, pull requests. Yeah, let's just do that. Gosh, the lag is just so bad. All right. I think we fixed all of the issues. All right. Let's push this. Added issue comments. Issue and PR comments. Why? Ah. Repositories. Must have merged some other PR in. Okay. Now we got our stuff. The reality is, like, as silly as this feature is, it's gonna be really nice for any sort of like GitHub bot that that people make with this PowerShell module, which you can easily make GitHub bots in functions, or you can make them using Azure or GitHub Actions, for example. And there are definitely going to be like some times where you want to react to a comment that issued a command for your bot or something like that. So there is definitely a worthwhile like, reactions aren't just for fun. All right. I'm pretty sure he triggers it by himself, so. Okay. I should have done everything. No problems either. Okay. I'm just messaging him. Let's see. That's too large. That is kind of a problem. Filter. Sort. Comment ID. Oops. Wow. My goodness. My browser is so slow. Look at that. There it goes. Wild. Here we go. Gosh, it's so slow. Okay. What I wanted to do was I just wanted an issue to just go like this. And then measure to see how many there are. Ten. Oh, I forgot about laugh. Let's see if I end up reacting eyes to all of these. Oh my gosh. Takes a long time, doesn't it? I feel like it shouldn't take this long to send an API request. But I like that there's kind of this platform to easily add on to for these extra API bits. I bet we can see them happening in real time. Oh, I love that. Oh, that's so funny. The eyes. Oh my gosh. Now, let's make them disappear, shall we? Here we go. I actually don't know if they're gonna go in order. Oh. Yes to all. It's gonna still. Let's just cancel. I gotta add force. There we go. Let's see if it'll go in order. Is it going? I think it's going. Oh. Oh, there they go. Okay. Oh, nice. Yeah, this is good. Bunch of small comments. Goodbye, eyes. This is just the most ridiculous thing. Oh, I love it. The eyes slowly disappear. No, Thomas, we don't need a test repo. This is testing in production. It's the way to go. But look at this. Look how nice this pipeline is, though. And the reality is, I could have, like, I'm getting the, like, this information is totally attainable by me. It's not some, like, weird issue comment ID that I, like, would have to dig to look up. It's perfectly normal for you to know the repository name, the owner name, and then the issue that you want to grab all the comments from. And then piping that into getting all the eyes reactions and then removing them. I think that's a perfectly reasonable command that someone could run, which is really cool. All right. Well, I'm pretty happy with how that ended up. I can't really think of anything else that I. Wait, what is going on here? Why is this X? Is this because? Okay, it just needs to be refreshed, I think. Or maybe because changes were requested. Yeah, okay. Fine. All right. We're done. We're done for now. Hopefully, this gets in soon. I'm excited about it. I'd love to work off of this and make like some GitHub action that does something. I don't know what I'd want it to do, but I kind of want to make a bot that does a couple things that might be interesting. Got to figure out the best way to do that. Okay, I think we're done here. I've had enough. No. Okay. We don't need this anymore, or this, or this. All right, cool. That's that. All right, well, I'm gonna go because I've got like some stuff to do, but please do like answer my polls. I tweeted out a couple of polls recently. I'd love your answer to those polls. It's basically like, I don't know. We want to like think about what generic remote debugging looks like when you don't have like a machine with a port open. And so that's what we're like kind of thinking about. Specifically for stuff like Azure pipelines and GitHub Actions, where you can't open a port, but it's often like, I don't know, you have scripts that run in that environment that might not run exactly the same as on your local machine. So you'd love to be able to like debug those scripts, step through them as they're running to see where things go sideways. And that's kind of what we're thinking about. But if like there's not a whole lot of interest in that, if that isn't like crazy useful for people, then, you know, we might not even do it, because if there's not a lot of interest. So listen to the or answer the polls so that I could get some data. But anyway, I think that's it. I've got a couple people who pinged me, and I should probably follow up on them with them to see what they want. But wait, you can swim in the latest update of Animal Crossing? Oh, this is a game changer. Wow. That's big. Sorry, I got really distracted. What a game. Anyway, okay, I'm gonna go. Thank you all so much for tuning in. I hope this was interesting. Definitely mess around with this module. It can do a surprising amount of things with the GitHub API if you find yourself on GitHub a bunch. Like even stuff like projects too is here. Labels, milestones, issues and issue comments, branches. Some of them are get only requests, but this like module is getting bigger and bigger and supporting more and more. So definitely take a look at that. All right, I'm gonna go. Thank you all so much for joining, and I will see you all next time. Please donate to your local chapter of Black Lives Matter, or donate to Black Girls Code, and watch 13th. It's going to change you, I assure you. All right. Thank you all. See you next time. Bye. As I search for the stop streaming button. Bye.